Let's learn how you can get full use out of your 3-in-1 torch from TIKI Brand. Each torch comes with a long-lasting fiberglass wick, a 4-piece pole, and a metal snuffer to extinguish the flame at the end of the night. Take your torch head and your poles out of the box. Assemble the poles to your desired height by twisting each piece together. Use 4 poles for a full-size torch or 3 poles for a garden height torch, and make sure you have the easy install lever at the bottom. Twist your torch head onto your torch poles. A simple one-step installation allows you to spend less time installing your torches and more time enjoying your outdoor space. Our convertible torches fit any space, from a full-size tiki torch to a mid-size torch to a table torch. Time to tiki your outdoor space.